So you can see this is what's going on, Corvus? Huh? Where's your partner at, buddy? You just riding the wind? I get it, brother. Corvus is our ravens here, our desert ravens, Corvus corax. Beautiful creatures, but utter pests. Anyway, check out this view, huh? The thing I'm pointing at there, that's Cathedral City Cove. That's, yeah, this is Coachella Valley right here. In fact, those little shiny things off in the distance might just be, nah, probably not. Anyway, let's see. Cathedral City, Palm Springs is over here. Palm Desert is off that way. Rancho Mirage in between. 10 freeways run along, that's the base of that sand dune that you see in the distance. Anyway, this is my first time coming up this road. As you can see, it's pretty long haul. Alright, Corvus, we'll catch you later, buddy. Anyway, I come over this thinking that it's gonna go off that way, and I had no idea that there's this whole bowl up here. I just passed a whole bunch of mountain bikers in both directions. They go around a whole bunch of trails that go around this whole bowl over here. There's one trail goes right up here, actually. Right where my bike is parked is where it turns off. But there's a bulldozer parked out here from back in the 70s or something, when the guy, Hahn, that this is named after, was actually trying to turn this into a road. But that's the reservation out there. That's Indian Canyons beyond this bowl. I was just asking those guys about, is there a way to get out this way? There really isn't. There's a way to go further down this road, however, which we're going to try and go further down. That connects up with the Art Smith Trail, which is a lot of hardcore riding if you're into it. But I just couldn't get over, man. Coming over this ridge, you know, you can see out into the Coachella Valley from here, and then you can see all the way over into this bowl. Glad I finally came out here after all these. I'm here after a 20-mile ride across the valley from Sun City, so I'm not doing anything crazy. But man, is it gorgeous over here. You should have heard me when I first came over. It was just, oh my gosh.